So we're going to now look at how do you run your different types of reports? What information do you need to include in your parameters? So once again, in order to access reports, we have to be in the accounting tab and then we click on reports. And I'm just going to now show you firstly the basic one, which is the trial balance, which every organization will be running in Xero itself. Just to explain what the trial balance does, the trial balance is a summary of all of your transactions for the financial year. So when you open up the report, for example, the trial balance, you can see that I've got 4 columns or 4 blocks at the top that I need to complete. I have to tell Xero what information am I looking for. So the first one is the date. So we have to select what date are we looking for. So we can select from predefined ones that's here. For example, I can go the end of the previous month, end of the last quarter, end of the last financial year, or I can go today or end of this month. Or if I want, I can literally just click on where I said 31st of December 2024, and I can add in what I'm looking for. So in my demo file, this is a brand new entity. So the financial year started on the 1st of January 2025. So for now, I'm just going to choose end of this month, right? Then it's going to ask me under the columns. So if I click in there, it's telling me what information do I want. So what columns do I want in my trial balance to be displayed? You can see it has defaulted. So the account is ticked, the account code, the account type, and the year-to-date figures for the credits and debits. So generally, we don't edit anything in the columns block. We just keep it as is. You can then compare with whatever you want, with 1 year, 2 years. So whatever data you have available in Xero. Obviously, in my demo file, this is a brand new entity, so I don't have a comparative. So I'm just going to click on none. Grouping or summarizing, we don't do anything here. So you can actually leave that one blank. So you don't need to do anything. So basically, the column that you are actually only going to be adjusting or selecting is this date range. I'm not going to touch on the filter as yet because I want to just show you the basic, right? So once I am happy, I can click on update. I just want to show you what's in more. So more is basically telling you on what basis your accounting records are being prepared. Again, you're not going to do anything here, so you're going to leave it as is. So we're just going to click on update. So when I click on update, you can see it's telling me what is the name of my report, what is the name of my organization, and as at what date is this. So this is my organization's trial balance as at the 31st of August. You see I've got revenue of 300,000, then I've got some donation income, and then I've got my expenditure. If I want to export this outside of Xero, so I can export it. So I click on export and I can export it as a PDF. It will then save on my computer as a PDF, or I can export it as an Excel sheet, right? So that is how you would run a basic trial balance for the organization as a whole. If I wanted to run for a specific month, so I'm just going to go, let's see, as of the 30th of April. Actually, I just want to show you because I've only done processing for January and February in this client. So if I run as at the 31st of January, you'll see my results are very different as compared to the year to date. And that is how you would run a trial balance.